Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu II, the founder of Arcanet Technologies. You are welcome to this discussion. In this video, I will show you how to use customized PowerPoint templates in your presentation. Let us begin. Assuming you have this presentation that has a lot of white background, you can add design to it. How do you do this? You just move up to Design tab and choose any design of your choice. For example, if I click here, it's going to show me apply this design to my already made presentation. If I don't like this design, I can go back and choose another one. So there are a lot of designs here. You can go on and choose your design based on what you need. You can see once I click on it, it will show me those designs. It depends on what you need. So but these are the ones that are readily available in PowerPoint presentation. So this tutorial is to show you how to use a customized design or template. So assuming you have downloaded your template, it's not difficult. You can go to Google and search for customized PowerPoint template to get it and download it. Once you do that, you come to this design, click here and choose browse theme. Browse theme. You click on this browse theme and look for the location where the theme is saved. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, you click apply. It will give you that customized template that is not available in the already made design. But what will happen tomorrow or any other time is that you won't be able to see this. So what do you need to do? You need to save it as a theme. So I will come to this place, click on it and say save current theme, so that once you save it, next time you will open it, it will appear here. So I'll click on save current theme. Once I click on it, it will ask me to give it a name. I can leave it as theme 1 or write a name so that it will help you to recognize it. Then click on save button. After doing this, you will see that that theme is now part of this design. It will help you to use it anytime you have it. You can see where we have custom is now there. You can make use of it anytime you have it. You want to use it in this particular computer. That is how to use a customized template. Please like and share my video. Subscribe for more one. Thank you for watching. I remain Pat Ugu II, the founder of Arcanet Technology. Bye.